TikTok is an app that is only 3 years old and has been downloaded over 1 billion times. Those numbers are crazy, so I decided it's time to pay attention. I want to get famous on TikTok, and I'm giving myself 1 week. My first task is to learn what TikTok is all about. It's a social media app that exclusively uses short-form storytelling as a medium for sharing through video. And oftentimes that video is accompanied by selected music to enhance the story. In fact, the app has a bunch of built-in storytelling tools or filters to help you tell those stories, like Clone Army or Disco. Picking tunes to make your video with is easy and also helps you discover new music, which I believe is one of TikTok's profit vectors. You can also upload a video that you've taken earlier or multiple videos and patch them together, as well as trim clips before publishing. You can also like videos and follow creators, and you can comment. Seems pretty easy, so let's explore some content. It seems like they have a pretty good filter that automatically removes most illicit or illegal content, but there's still a fair share of content that I personally would rather not see, so we'll skip past as much of that as possible. The app has generally matured, or at least is heading in the direction from the cringe fest that I've heard so much about over the past several months, and it seems like it's turning more into just a storytelling platform with a focus on comedy, short laughs, and relatable memes. Anyone can be up and running in moments, and discovery seems relatively primitive with a focus on just tags and interest gauged by likes and comment to view ratio, and they also recorded watch time, so that probably factors into it as well. So how am I supposed to succeed as a 33-something-year-old man, not the target audience or user demographic, in a sea of oversaturated creators telling stories to their peers? Well, there's two types of content. One is using the app and the app's built-in filters to tell stories, and the second is uploaded, pre-recorded content. When I started YouTube, I had no experience making video content at all, and I didn't even know how to edit video. All I did was eject the SD card from my camera, which was a Canon 6D, and I uploaded it to YouTube. And it's still there, it's awful, don't watch it, or you'll probably unsubscribe. But now I've been creating video for over 3 years, and I have access to something that the vast majority of people using TikTok don't: experience and more tools. And I can create produced content with more than zero production quality and use my own library of music that the majority of everyone else using TikTok does not have access to, like from Epidemic Sound, for example. No, they didn't sponsor this video, and I'm not an affiliate. That's what I use. I have real lights, real cameras, better depth of field, higher quality images, and a library of content that I've already produced that I can pull from because I own that content. So my first 2 videos were just me cutting up some old videos from science projects I had done earlier in my YouTube career that never really went viral or never really hit. So my first experience with TikTok's content filter was dangerous content. For some reason, TikTok deleted a couple of my videos claiming that they constituted dangerous content. Now, I didn't really necessarily see that as dangerous, or this one, a massive Jacob's ladder from decomposed microwave parts. But nevertheless, I guess TikTok doesn't want teens trying really dangerous science experiments by themselves, which, fine, I can understand that. Even though I knew what I was doing, someone who was doing this by themselves for the first time might not. However, it turns out people really liked my lightsaber build, and I cut it down into about a 1-minute video, which was my second video that I uploaded to TikTok. And that one did really well. It got over 180,000 views. I also followed some memes on the platform where there's this disco filter they used, but I used my lights instead of the disco filter to make kind of a funny video. People seem to like that too. I'm sitting after 7 days on the platform with about 3,400 fans and over 40,000 likes on my videos. I did better than some other people that are much larger creators on YouTube than I am, that also made a How I Got Famous on TikTok YouTube video. But I think it's because I did something different. I uploaded unique content and something with actual production value or real interest and thought behind them, not just copying memes or videos that other people have already done on TikTok. Oh, and before I forget, it seems like one of the most important tools for discovery on TikTok is tags. You have to make sure you use relevant and popular tags on all your videos if you want to have a better chance at being discovered. I tagged everything with hashtag for you, which is related to the For You page. A lot of people tag and search for tags of For You, viral, trending, funny, or comedy. So just pick popular tags. Try not to niche down too much. You want to cast a very broad net. And it seems like anytime you have a video that's doing really well in a like to comment ratio in the range of 1 like for every 5 to 7 views, generally it'll do really well. I have another video right now while I'm editing this video, kind of going viral right now based on that ratio. It took a few extra days, but it looks like it's still going viral. So even if a video doesn't hit right away, there's still a chance that it'll go viral in the future. But it seems like it boils down to the like to view ratio. So yes, some people who are absurdly attractive can just upload a video of them looking at their phone and get tens of thousands of fans. But standing out on TikTok seems to be easy if you just put in a little bit of extra effort. TikTok doesn't look like it's going anywhere, and I'll probably keep using it to refine and learn how to keep telling short form stories. In other words, it's basically Vine. So I'll see you in the next one.